Okay, so I've had this for about 2 weeks, but I wanted to do an unboxing with you guys, so I forced myself to put on a full face of makeup and hair. Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. So we are finally unboxing my little Miss Telfy, trying to make sure the address doesn't show. Okay, so I've had this for about 2 weeks, but I wanted to do an unboxing with you guys, so I forced myself to put on a full face of makeup and hair. First of all, I'm very much shocked that this came in a flat box, because why? And two, I'm just happy I finally have it. I finally joined the Telfar gang. Okay, so let's just get to it. But it comes in this big old box. I don't want to just rip the box open, you guys, but I am that person that likes to, like, one, I don't use stuff when I first get it. And two, I'm putting it on my phone and my camera right now, so I'm looking two different ways. But two, I like to unpack things like very neatly. I think I get it from my grandpa. But yeah, okay, so here it goes. Okay, little Miss Telfar. Alright, so I guess they call this the dust bag. I don't really buy bags, so just bear with me, but I promise you guys it's probably gonna go right back in this bag. I promise you. Okay, I pray to God my hands are clean. Okay. And the big reveal. Oh my gosh, it's so pretty. It's so pretty. It's so big. Hold on one second. Oh, it got a little strap here. Okay, trying to keep everything nice. Okay, I look crazy. My outfit looks crazy, by the way, but oh. Okay, wow. It's so big and cute. Oh my gosh, what? Stop, stop. This is so cute. Oh my gosh, best purchase ever. So big. Love the strap. Of course it needs to like get bigger. With the shacket too, come on. Hello. Okay. So yeah, of course it needs to get a little bigger. But this is what the inside looks like. Knocking things over, so big, big, big. It has a case for either your iPad or laptop, maybe right here. I don't know if your laptop can fit here. And then it also has a big zipper. Yes. And then a little Telfar patch. All right. I'm the part of the Telfar gang. Hey, excited. Okay, so let's talk about why I decided to get a Telfar bag. So all my cousins have Telfar bags and they're all so cute. Not all of them, but a lot of my cousins have Telfar bags and they're always like rocking them and like, oh, I got my Telfy, and they have them in different colors and stuff. So finally, when they did that rainbow sale, I was like, okay, I'm gonna get it. And you guys, like, I was in line at 9, but I kept playing games. I was like, okay, maybe I'll get it at 10, 10:15, 10:30 came along. I was at work and I was like, okay, I finally have to get this bag. So I ended up finally getting in line and getting it, but I got it closer to like the end of when it sold out. So it did take pretty much a full month for me to get my bag. And I got it right before they gave people a $200 credit for their next purchase. So that was kind of like, I guess that was the only like, really wasn't a downside, because they tell you like it's gonna take some time to get your bag. So that was the only like type of thing. But other than that, the experience was really chill. I like how blunt Telfar was. Like, don't bug us. If you want it, you want it. If you don't, it's really like extreme business, but it works. I like kind of their scarcity mindset. This is all coming from like a person that works for business and maybe wants to run their own business one day. I kind of think that's like a genius tactic to get money made. So yeah, I haven't worn the bag yet. I don't know when, you guys. I told you guys I'm that person that will like not wear something for a minute, but this is so cute. Like, we need to do like a Telfar look. I don't know, but it's definitely one of the bags for the culture. I also have a few other bags for the culture as well. I have a size, okay, I have 3 size bags, and now I feel like I need a Brandon Blackwood bag, and I want to buy like a black woman bag now, because these are all like bags made by black men. So if you guys know any black woman bags, I know of one, but they're like $800, and I'm like, whoo, it took me a second to spend $300 for my Telfar. It was about $300. So yeah, but I do think eventually I will do like a black bag haul, but I'll show you guys real fast the other one I have. So I have this one right here. It's a size bag, and it says protect black people. This is just like, and we can go in another video like in detail about like the different types of like textures each bag has and whatnot, but this is super cute, very like business-y. I love that it's black, and it has the strap. Oh, my hair has the strap as well. So this is like a go-to bag that I wear all the time. I also have a mini one. The other 2 ones I'll show you guys in a different video, so make sure you guys do subscribe. But so far, I really like my Telfar bag, even though I just took it out the bag. And that was just such a fun experience to share with you guys, because I've been waiting and waiting to show you guys, but I've just been busy. So I hope you guys like this video. Let me know if you have a Telfar bag, a size bag, a Brandon Blackwood bag, or if all this is new to you, let me know as well. I think it's really cool that we as a culture now have like it bags. Like, I was on Pinterest, you guys, and I saw so many people with Telfar bags. I was like, oh. And then now that I've noticed it, I've seen a lot of people in real life. Like, they're not even just all black. Like, I've seen Asian girls, white girls, like Mexican girls, just, or Latino girls, Latina girls, women. Everybody likes Telfar, so it's just super cool to be about the culture and like see a black brand like coming mainstream. So I don't know, let me know what you guys think about this. And again, if you guys have a Telfar, what other bags you recommend, and if you guys want to see more videos like this, maybe I'll do like a what's in my Telfy video. But yeah, super excited to be a part of the Telfar gang, and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye.